I'm gonna tell you something. This guy is the real deal. And you are. And you know what? Too many musicians compete against each other. And Joseph, your father, who taught me music since I was a kid, he used to say musicians don't play against each other, they play with each other. It's not an athletic event. And here's the incredible Doug Cassins to play a song called Songbird. Hey, David. Dave is still here. Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the president of the South County Jazz Society over here at the end of the bar. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Concerts every season. Jam sessions Sunday nights once a month. And he supports all live music in the area. And he just happens to be a tremendous piano player. Hey Doug, I want you to bring chills to the audience right now with this beautiful melody on soprano saxophone. They thought that was a clarinet. Let me just explain to them too, first of all. Kenny G, I think, was an engineering major at Harvard and just decided to make a living playing saxophone. And he's done pretty well.